Kick, you guys. Kick, 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 kick straight up here. Kick, 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 kick.
Oh, it's just full.
The mother load. Oh my word, yeah, they're
Look at.
oh wow. Whoop. The pull all right?
Back up just a little bit, you guys. Oh yeah. You guys are about dead even, so.
So we're not going to be able to lift this net.
No.
That's the problem. So you want another person on each side or what?
Yeah, don't touch it though.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, you say when to grab.
Well, let them get tight back on the back side.
Over there, I
Yeah.
didn't lift it by myself. 30 years ago I might have been able to.
Okay, Josh,
I
stop.
lost it in the fish.
Okay.
I literally, I just moved it a little bit at a time. There
Yeah,
it is.
you got
Josh?
What? I'm
Stop.
fine, I'm fine. Look, Garrett, take it your way.
working on probably 500 to 750 pounds of smelt right now in one net. Maybe 1,000 pounds.
Yep. Just keep flowing, keep
Not
flowing.
1,000 pounds.
Yeah, pull through them. We're getting stuck in the fish.
I lost it again.
Okay, when you're...
Yeah, I'm right up tight, that's why.
I'm not.
No, I got the orange net, son of a bitch.
Oh no.
Alright.
Just keep your, I'd say keep them.
Fuck it.
Oh wow, this is unreal.
Fuck it.
Oh.
Holy mu... Grab the
Grab your-
other.